An efficient, industrial new town with sustainable urbanism at its core. An economic stimulus for a rapidly developing Ethiopia. An industrial beacon of light and a viable model for others to follow. This is the vision of the Ethio-China Huajian International Light Industrial City. The Light Industrial City is located in the south of the bustling Ethiopian capital of Addis Ababa, bounding the Inter-African Highway which connects Addis Ababa to the number 4 and number 7 national highways. The site contains distinctive geological and situational characteristics. The Church Hill led the center of the site and is the aesthetic centerpiece of the urban environment to be realized around it. Standing at the top of the hill provides a panoramic view of the modern light industrial city. The light industrial city will become a light manufacturing hub, producing footwear and apparel in large volumes. It will become a focal point for light industry, ushering Addis Ababa and Ethiopia into a new era of productivity and stimulating economic development on a large scale. This vision is to be realized step by step through an ambitious plan to develop a new town over the next several years. These phases will be built along Huajian Avenue, Huarong Avenue, and Wenming Avenue, each maintaining a balance between work and living. Different districts of the industrial zone are connected by Huajian Avenue, and each district will include soccer fields and comprehensive employee food and leisure centers. The multifunctional central buildings will cater to the daily needs of employees. The soccer fields will provide space for rest and recreation. All of these functions combine to create a humane industrial zone with sustainable environmental planning and worker amenities. The residential zone is located next to the industrial zone, which makes it convenient for employees to work and live. The spatial organization of courtyard buildings creates a diverse set of community open spaces. The villa zone, which borders the hill, supports a peaceful environment and provides private living spaces for middle management and senior executives. The comprehensive commercial zone connects linear commercial spaces by an internal retail street. The interspersion of architectural layouts and courtyard buildings creates bustling leisure spaces. The Forest Hotel Zone is located on the exposed area of the Church hillside. The hotels hide in the woods and support a peaceful environment, while catering to the functional requirements for future businesses, conference, reception, exhibition, residence and dining services. The Ethio-China Huajian International Light Industrial City will also embody Chinese elements. Traditional Chinese wall designs will be embedded in the overall design of space. The transportation network is designed around hierarchical layering principles. Huajian Avenue is the major passageway of the industrial zone, connecting to the surrounding municipality and provides smooth logistical connections. The green belt on Huajian Avenue will mitigate noise pollution. Huarong Avenue is the major passageway of the residential zone, connecting to the rest of the city. There is a rich interface along the street and tree-lined facilities to make Huarong Avenue a vital street. A comprehensive transportation network is also built into the industrial city. A human-scaled pedestrian network will be combined with green open spaces. The open space network and spaces for public activities link together all areas of the zone and comprehensively provide all residents with access to green areas and the Church Hill. Municipal systems planning and design, such as the road traffic system, topographic infrastructural considerations, water supply and drainage, and electricity are approached with great importance. A reasonable functional layout, open space network, road connection and municipal system support the healthy, sustainable development of the Ethio-China Huajian International Light Industrial City. An industrial town which is more than just an industrial town. A human-scaled community where a rich and full urban life can be realized. A commercial and industrial center which will develop into a world-renowned industrial hub. This is the Ethio-China Huajian International Light Industrial City, Ethiopia's doorway to the future.